Welcome to this meditation. Find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and let your body soften. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. With every inhale, welcome a deep sense of peace. With every exhale, release all tension and worry. Feel your body becoming lighter and completely relaxed. Gently bring your awareness to your heart. Feel that your center is calm, safe, and still. If any thoughts arise, simply let them pass by like clouds. Right now, there is nowhere else to go and nothing else to do. This moment belongs entirely to you and to your inner peace. Relax the muscles in your face and drop your shoulders. Take another deep breath, letting calmness spread through your body. You are completely safe and totally free in this moment. Visualize a soft, peaceful light glowing within you. This light fills your entire being with tranquility. Enjoy this beautiful moment of pure stillness. Every single breath is guiding you deeper into relaxation. Trust your inner peace. It is always here inside you. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Carry this feeling of calm and clarity with you. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes. Have a peaceful and beautiful day. Thank you.